Morning everyone, it's our last day here in Hoi An. We're just having a little bit of breakfast. Everyone's a little bit sad. The weather here is beautiful again. We had a great night in Hoi An Old City last night, or the Old Town. I think we're going to chill on the beach this morning. We're going to hit some jet skis shortly, and then we're going to be travelling back to Hanoi and having a bit of a night out tonight. And a bit of a night out in Hanoi tonight. So check out today, it should be a good one. So as I'm the only one who knows how to fly the drone, we're gonna go one at a time. So Matt's up first, booked it for half an hour, check out the jet ski. So we did jet skiing this morning, we've chilled on the beach, we're all now just settling down for a little bit of lunch, and then we've got to go back to the room, pack up, head back to Hanoi. It's been absolutely amazing here in Hoi An. We'll give you a little brief review on it and all of our thoughts when we get to the airport. Ready to rock and roll, Joe?
Rock and roll.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
We're now here at the airport and it is roasting. So we've had a stroke of luck. Our plane was delayed by 4.5 hours and somehow the ladies at the Jetstar Pacific desk managed to squeeze all 4 of us onto the flight that leaves on time, which technically is 10 minutes later than our original flight, but at least we're getting on a plane nice and early back to Hanoi. Must admit the Jetstar guys have done well. The only thing to do in an airport whilst you wait for a flight is have a drink.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Checked back into the homestay hotel and they've only put us in the same room we were in 5 days ago, 6 days ago in fact. So we were quite pleased with that because the view was stunning. We didn't get the view last time, so we will get it for you first thing in the morning. It's been quite a long day. We're now heading out to a sports bar for some pizza, some beers and just a bit of Premier League action. Feel better?
Thought I'd go and then have an interview about it. Ready for my toasty? Yeah, Matt has a new dog. He's so cute. Look at him. He's so cute.
Just chilling and snug. And it's a very snug little bar. Gonna end the vlog there today. It's been a great day. Travelled, cracked around on some jet skis. We just sat in a nice bar in Hanoi now. We'll see you tomorrow for a tourist day around the city.